Krishna Chaitanya Institute of Technology and Sciences. Light up your dreams. Krishna Chaitanya Institute of Technology and Sciences is a unique institution notable for its out-of-the-box, groundbreaking philosophy. Students here not only have a thorough knowledge of cutting-edge engineering disciplines, but also as well grounded in all the values that create leadership and balanced outlook. The college chairman, Sri Anna Rambabu Garu, led the foundation of Krishna Chaitanya Institute of Technology and Sciences in the year 2008 in Devarajukattu near Markapuram, Prakasham district, Andhra Pradesh.
I remember in 2007 there was only one private engineering college nearby Markapur, and students had to leave their homestay to go to other cities to get engineering education. So my father Sri Anna Venkata Rambabu Garu, with the zeal in his heart, dream in his eyes and love for the people of his town, he conceived the idea to start this college and rendered our services to establish a highly techno-professional institute at Devarajukattu, Markapur, which was started in the year 2008.
The lush green campus in the college spread over 40 acres of land and aesthetically planned and designed, with excellent facilities to develop a congenial environment for the students to pursue their studies away from the daily hassle and bustle of city life. The college is approved by All India Council for Technical Education and affiliated to JNTU Kakinada. It imparts technical education in the field of electronics and communication engineering, computer science engineering, electrical and electronics engineering, civil engineering and mechanical engineering. Here, emphasis is laid on developing student that is spiritual, physical and intelligence, so that a strong and balanced personality emerges out after completing the curriculum at KITS.
Krishna Chaitanya Institute of Technology and Sciences is established in the year 2008 by Anna Venkata Rambabu Garu under the aegis of Anna Educational Society. We provide an integrated learning environment to grow towards their full potential, to enable students to grow towards their potential and meet the expectations of the industry and society. KITS has well qualified and dedicated faculty to motivate the students and well equipped laboratories with modern technology. In addition to the curricular activities, our students are actively participating in cultural activities, sports and games, and social activities, etc. Our first and second batch passed out students are performed well and placed in different organizations. Last year admissions in our college is about 92%, though the college is situated in the rural area.
The academic buildings have spacious and airy classrooms, supplemented by well-equipped laboratories and workshops, wherein students acquire hands-on experience through experimentation and practice sessions. The academic focus is maintained by a team of qualified and dedicated lecturers and teachers. Classroom interaction is dynamic and equipped with cutting-edge tools and technology. These labs help students to practically explore every aspect of what they are taught in the classroom. The curriculum is based on extensive concentration with successful entrepreneurs' academic fraternity. It is backed by highly experienced faculty with extensive exposure to India and overseas operations. Industry experts are invited to deliver new lectures and workshops at the college campus. After all, engineering is all about doing this theoretical, and practical training is supplemented with the students with long hours of self-study that they put in at this library. A library that has over 13,000 books, magazines, and online channels, mainly of technical matter and journal reading. For communication skills and development, there are 2 unique digital labs in the campus. The library has a seating capacity of 200 and also has a digital library. In KITS, there are 2 unique labs: Geospatial Center of Excellence, where students are exposed to geographical survey through satellite, and Mobile Computing Lab, wherein students can learn hands-on training on mobile apps. Other modern facilities such as Wi-Fi and uninterrupted power backup for the entire campus. For an all-round personality development of students, throughout the year, sports activities are carried out regularly. Spacious playground facilities for sports like cricket, football, volleyball, and tennis are available. A canteen is located on the campus where snacks, tasty vegetarian food are available, and it caters to both staff and the students. A separate cafeteria is available for girls. College has own buses. The transportation facilities are available from around 30 kilometers to the college. KITS has boys' hostel located in the campus, and separately girls' hostel is located in Markapuram town with high security. Both hostels have spacious and well-furnished rooms with adequate tables. It gives students a perfect homely atmosphere to stay. KITS encourages activities other than academics. Students are provided with opportunities to manage intellectual, cultural, and sports activities. Doing some music and sports competitions or some other regularly organized events by these clubs. The stepping stone for every student's aspirations is the placement opportunity after completion of the course. The college has a well-established corporate resource center to cater to the growing career needs of the students under the able leadership and guidance of heads of departments and training and placement officers. Excellent performance attracts admirable awards. KITS chairman awarded with Pratibha Puraskar Award by Acharya Nagarjuna University.
Yes, I'm going to get it within 1 month and I can apply for a job. I have that confidence.
Opportunity, its beautiful environment and interactive of course.
New challenges, new opportunities. Krishna Chaitanya Institute of Technology and Sciences promises continuous efforts in making number 1 not only in Markapuram but in Andhra Pradesh too.